And this
Hi,
thing's
everybody.
gonna be hard to install. What? Did you start it?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, trying to see if we can fit this thing in there. Not sure if it's gonna fit up here. We have to put it on the front.
Yeah, sorry for the another break. We just had to find the right screwdriver, and we found it. It's right there.
This is gonna be tough. Okay. Tight fit. Alright. There. That screwdriver works better. It's not stripping the screw.
Now time for some English on it. Some English, not homework. Don't worry, it's not homework. But I'm pretty sure you can infer that stripping the screw means like tearing and wearing the screw, right?
Yeah, you don't want to. If you strip it, then the 4 slots on a Phillips screw get worn out to the point where you can't screw or unscrew it. Okay, yeah, this will fit much better in the front. It won't fit very well at top, so I think we'll just have to mount it up front. Take the plastic off now. We're just dry fit testing. Dry fit. So.
Yep, so we just fit it with the plastic so that it wouldn't, if it was too tight, it wouldn't scratch. Right, tech guy?
Yep. No. Do is slide it down here for now. You know what? I think, here, let's pull this back out.
Wait, is that way better with the just very pale white?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, that one seems like it won't make anything stand out, like if it's light or light or. Oops.
Okay. I don't know how the front panel comes off because I think we need to get this off too, but it doesn't really tell me in the instructions how to take
Wait,
it
it
off.
looks like it has like a thing on this side.
You see something to pull it off?
Well, yeah, it's like a handle for it.
Oh, okay.
It's like, I could, like, you see?
I
Yeah,
can't see
I
it
can
from this side.
But, like, if you could see I can fit, like, part of my hand in there.
Well, is there anything to unlatch it?
I don't know. It's like a handle, pretty much, which you can, like, help pull it off, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I think we just have to press it off. Yeah, here it goes. It fits very snugly, but there we go. There it goes. Okay, I want to get this out of the way for now. All right, that's much better. We can get access here. Let's see if we can pull this in this way. stuff is in here, and if we fly it on this side, yeah, that looks good. It will be able to fit in there while we put the front part panel back on.
I'm not worried. Oh, you put the front panel over there.
Okay. And let's see if we got enough room for the. Okay, so we're gonna, because this is important too, to make sure that these coolant cables have enough space to. So what we're gonna have to do is mount. Looks like the Thermaltake logo is gonna probably have to go upside down because I don't think we're gonna be able to mount it this way. It just doesn't have enough space on the length of these tubes. So that's what we needed to test all this first, so we knew what we were doing. Okay.
Sorry if you're getting bored by this, but we need to build this so we can have better gaming, pretty much.
Yeah, you got to take everything slowly too, because if you put something together wrong, you're just gonna end up having to take it back apart and fix it anyways.
And probably get new pieces sometimes. If you put stuff in wrong, it might like break some pieces.
So we want to make sure that we're getting. Okay.
Alright, tech guy. There's also a back kind of like I don't know what to call it. It's kind of like a vent, like you know in a car those like vents for the air. It has a vent over on the bottom where you can pull it off, and it's I'm pretty sure it has a it has a filter over. I'm pretty sure. Wait, no wait, never mind. It's just the cooling. I'm sorry. It's a vent that has a filter on it.
Okay, let's actually pick this thing back up. And then I gotta quickly take this part. Okay,
sorry that you guys can't see it very well, but I see it now perfectly, everywhere.
You go ahead and close up everything up there. Yeah, and then I can lay it back down. Because what we need to do.
Now you get to see the QWERTY side of it.
Okay, not all computers are gonna have this part in the way here, but I'm gonna have to remove. I already removed a panel from back here, but there's another little component box, probably for some lighting or fans or something, and this in my way. Okay. Probably have to undo some cables. Okay, these have little pull-up like latches that you have to. Okay, there we go. Now I got. Couldn't get that free without removing that, so this thumb screw went there. We actually need to place this
underneath
on the back side. Okay.
Oh yes, and it also has room for the thumb screw to go into it, because it has holes in all the screws, I guess.
All right. Yeah, you're right. It's these are basically little standoffs for the CPU cooler. So,
Yeah, we're pretty much going to be working on this for the whole day. We might do a little bit of it off camera, but most likely not.
this way.
Yeah, it seems like there's a smaller piece. Like, Tekai, it seems like this is smaller than that.
It's supposed to go the other way though. It's just a matter of getting the holes lined up. They want to stay in there.
Well, that's maybe why we have the thumb screw, so it pushes it in for it. Well, actually, the thumb screw actually doesn't even line up with that, I don't think. Or does it?
Okay, yeah, those pads will help protect the motherboard too when we start screwing this down. Okay, so let's try to get this stuff back on here now. A little bit of extra work here with this stuff because not all motherboards are going to have this. I mean, sorry, not all cases are going to come with this stuff.
But it's like a bigger case so we can fit bigger things. And so it has like more power and better, I don't know what other stuff there is for it.
These cables lined up just right. Okay, and then it clicks down in place. Just little ribbon cables, so
Very hard to line up though. But most likely save a lot of space for it, the ribbon cables.
yeah, doesn't take up much room. Okay, got that back on. Let's This is the panel I took off. You couldn't see. These are all held on by thumb screws, so it's best. I had to use a screwdriver to loosen them up, but it's best to not use screwdrivers on them. Just use your thumbs and, you know, get them so they're snug. You don't have to tighten them too much. Okay, should be able to come back over to the other side now. Back where we were. Alright, and so now we got, that hole doesn't look like it's sticking out as much as the other ones.
That's not good.
It's okay. I think once we start screwing it, it's gonna pull it up because of that piece of foam is kind of pushing up on it. So at least it's in the hole properly. So I think that'll be fine. It should be start coming back up once we'll keep an eye on it though. All right.
I'm glad the cable for the anti-static is not damaged because we kind of closed it in and smushed it with this, I don't know how many pound thing, the case.
Grab this. Don't touch the bottom though. Just hold on to the sides. Okay. Oh, you got the cables caught. There you go. All right, now I'll hold that. You hold this piece for me. Yeah, there you go. The radiator. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, wait. What is that piece on there?
This piece of gray,
No,
that's
no. I mean, like that piece right there. That's like
oh, it just
mixing in with the gray.
it got scraped a little bit when I was moving it around, but it should be fine. Okay, we want to make sure we have enough slack with this tubing, and put the mounting bracket on there so that we'll be able to get down on there. So I think that looks pretty good. Like I said, the logo is not going to be right side up, but that happens a lot. Those kind of things, it's hard to, with these all-in-one units, you're never going to get them exact because you didn't build it yourself. But they make it so much easier to use though. So
because you don't got to connect all the cables together.
Yeah, all the tubing, you don't have to cut your own tubing, you don't have to fill it with liquid coolant and stuff, so it just makes things easier. Okay, so we got that mounting bracket on there. Now on the other side, we need to come and bring this portion here to kind of lock it in place. So let me make sure we've still got it good. That looks good right there. It's moving around on me. Cables keep bumping it. Okay, so now I need to bring this piece on there and get it locked into place. Pieces just kind of clip in there. There we go. But you got it all, 4 or so of them clipped. I can see that, yep, that all looks pretty